Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation on duplic relations. Duplic relations can be defined as verbal responses in control by verbal SDs. Duplic relations have formal similarities and point-to-point correspondences. If you don't know what a point-to-point correspondence is, it's part of the verbal stimulus corresponded to part of the verbal response. And then the formal similarity is when the SD and the response are in the same mode. And for duplic relations, it takes three different modes. There's echoic, there's motor imitation, and then there's copy text. In the textbook, an echoic is defined as a form of vocal response under the functional control of an auditory verbal SD that has formal similarity between the stimulus and the response produced. It also has a history of generalized SR. So an echoic could be seen as you copying someone's verbal imitation. So you hear me say my name, you copy my name. Hi, I'm Lillian. Hi, Lillian. Lillian, Lillian, back and forth. And then you have motor imitation. Motor imitation is often seen as sign language. In our book, it's defined as verbal behavior that takes the form of a motor response and is under functional control of visual verbal SD that has formal similarity and a high generalized SR. Sorry, I know that there's a plane going by. So for motor imitation, like I said, it takes the form of sign language most of the time. So say you see someone sign, give me, and you do the same thing. Give me. It's a motor imitation. You see someone do that, you repeat after them. In ABA, a lot of times, you teach sign language. So do this, or more, water. You teach the child to do the motor imitation. And then with copy text, you have the definition as a verbal behavior in which the form of the transcriptive response is under functional control of a textual verbal SD that has formal similarity and a history of generalized SR. So copying text, this basically what it sounds like. You're copying text. So you see your name written down. You copy down your name in text, you're writing it down. I'm teaching this right now where I write out a kid's name and I have them do the same. So I essentially copy text. Another example could be you are on a website and you need a phone number for a place. You see it written down on the screen and you write it down. Yeah, so duplic relations, it has three forms, the echoic, motor imitation, and copy text, and it's a verbal response that is controlled by a verbal SD. Thanks guys for watching.